Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. On the menu today, we're going to make a really easy but really delicious spaghetti with a simple tomato sauce. Very few ingredients, absolutely delicious. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need for this. Okay, let's take a look at what we have here then. So the amounts are going to be in the text below. I'm just going to point out the ingredients here. I've got some cooked spaghetti there. That's actually a really thin one. I don't know if you know that spaghetti comes in different grades. I think angel hair is the thinnest, and then you get 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 like that, and they get thicker as the number gets higher. 1 can of tomatoes, some fresh basil, quite a lot there, nice big handful, fresh garlic, onions, and I'm using today some green olives. Let's get to the cooker. Okay, so we need some sort of pan or something. Now I've got some olive oil in there, and I've been quite generous with the amount of olive oil I'm using. Use less if you want, but I like a lot in this one. We're going to start off by dropping in our garlic and our onion. And we just want to get them started for about 2 to 3 minutes. I'll see you then. Keep it moving. Super easy this one is. Let's drop in those olives. You can use black if you want. Salt, black pepper, generous amount of black pepper. I'm going to drop in that fresh basil. If you don't have fresh basil, you could use maybe a dried basil or oregano, like a dried oregano, but fresh basil is absolutely wonderful for this. If you can get it, please do. If you wanted a bit of chili in there, a bit of dried chili flakes or something could also work for this. I'm now going to add that 1 can of tomatoes. And we're going to cook this for quite a while now. We're going to cook it on fairly lively heat, quite a high heat, for about 7 to 8 minutes. We really want to cook those tomatoes out. Okay, look at that. Really beautiful. It's really cooked out nicely, the oils come out. Really important to kind of cook it for quite a long time. Let's drop in our pasta or our spaghetti. And what we need to do is I'm going to get the heat on full blast now. And we're going to work this sauce into the pasta. And then it's done. I'll see you at the table. Okay, there you go. Really simple that is, but beautiful. Give it a go. Give us a thumbs up. Say hello. We'd like to hear from you. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.